The change in government in Zimbabwe offers the United States an opportunity to engage in a way we have not had a chance to do for decades. For decades, we've had a very strong relationship with the people of Zimbabwe. We want to build on that and help find a way to look at helping Zimbabwe reach its true potential.
Now, what about sanctions? You know, there's some targeted sanctions that were imposed on Mr. Mugabe and others. What are you going to do with that?
Well, it's early days, and at the moment there is no plan to change anything related to the sanctions regime. There's some very specific things that we would like to see happen before we even consider revisiting that. And for example, there have been some very interesting rhetorical commitments and expressions of intention in recent speeches. We really need to see concrete reforms, both economic and political, on the ground.
So if you're saying concrete, what exactly in terms of concrete?
Well, of course, we want to see free, fair, inclusive, and credible elections in 2018. The elections need to take place in July or August, but there are months of preparations before that that can give us an indication of how things are going.